Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Griselda J Life in the UK here. Today, guys, we're at Peak District and we're having a camping. And this is the view of our campsite. And that thing there, the rectangle, the brown one, is the toilet. It's quite peaceful and nice view here in the campsite. It's 7 o'clock in the morning here. So if you come here and you don't have tent, they have a pods or canopy to rent out. And they have a little bit of stream. A little stream. There is our camp tent. We arrived here last night about 12 o'clock midnight. And everyone is getting ready for our day out today. It's good. I could see that the sky is good. It's perfect. It's perfect for our day out for the first day. Look! The sun is coming out! It's getting brighter! Look, the top of the hill was quite misty. The clouds going down. Are you done, Joe?
Almost.
Okay. So yeah, that's for my friend camp tent, and this is ours with my friend, and that's the other one for our other friend. Careful, Lian. Morning, Manay.